You can't actually in this.
Okay. Can I actually?
Okay.
This is actually people watching strangers. Strangers watching strangers.
We're not strangers, we're people.
I have my nephews and my niece with me, and we're going to be making a
Dutch oven pizza.
yeah.
We're spreading it around so then the dough doesn't stick to the cutting board.
It's about double the size of what I actually started it with.
Should we just
Small is that?
Okay.
Okay.
Okay?
Smells like good pizza. It's like sticky.
Okay.
It's like
So if it's a
slime.
little sticky, what we're gonna do is put a little bit more flour on top of it, roll it around, roll it around, roll it around. Yeah, roll it around. Yeah, you can roll it around in your hands.
Okay.
Or I just want to eat it right now.
No,
Just
it's
want
not
to eat it
cooked.
right now.
It's not cooked.
Oh, okay. Well, yours turned out pretty good. You just needed more flour, right?
Me?
Okay. Make it easy for the kids. So we're gonna put some flour down on the table, and we're just going to use a roller and this. So we're gonna spread this dough out. It does not need to be perfect. In fact, the less perfect, the better, in my opinion. Make it nice and flat.
Why it's like blocking the way.
Yeah, you're blocking the way.
Okay.
Go ahead, your turn.
Is this yours?
Yep.
Good thing we washed our hands.
Mm-hmm. Gotta get the fire started. Olive oil. We have our fresh mozzarella pearls, tomato paste, and this is the pepperoni. We also have some onion, so we got some vegetables in there.
Tomato sauce.
Okay, just spread it like that. Yep, there you go. There you go.
Yeah.
All right, that's good enough. All right, now, what do you do next?
I'll add pepperoni.
That's mozzarella cheese balls.
Yep.
You can just put the balls on just like that and it'll melt. Mozzarella.
Is that what
That's
Mario
how you're
said?
supposed to say it. Mozzarella. Olive oil to the Dutch oven.
Nope, I don't like onions.
Well, I can't have onions because my sister.
So yesterday we went to go fishing with Grandma and Grandpa.
Yeah. No. Eat with hands.
Man, look at that one. Look at that. It has one eye.
So, we just made some Dutch oven pizzas. It smells delicious. It's going to taste even better. It's very kid friendly. It's easy to make. If you learned something, please like, share, and subscribe. Nora's going to town on that pizza.
That was really good. Give yourself a bam.